Hello, I'm Eric Wood with AI Appointment Bookers. What I'm selling is a service of an inbound AI appointment scheduler where customers call and get scheduled into your calendars. Your core business obviously is not handling appointments. The appointments are really a means to an end, so stop wasting your time with appointments. The main benefit of this system is time, specifically focused. Yeah, anybody can answer the phone, but not without interrupting what they're doing. The second major benefit is the customer call that you would have otherwise missed. There are four ways that businesses deal with appointments during business hours. They're basically, the first one is they interrupt, stop what they're doing, answer it, and return back. The second big way that they do it is they hire for it. And so a dedicated scheduler will run you about $15K according to the federal minimum wage. And the third way is they'll buy a scheduling website software that throws the problem onto customers. So especially new customers, where they have to enter their data and for the first time. And then there's also issues with trying to go to the website for especially elderly customers. The fourth way that people deal with daytime appointments is they'll have expensive call centers deal with it. All of them are terrible. The first way, interruptions cause chaos and worse service. Dedicated schedulers or call centers are expensive. And then basically the website schedulers cause a loss of business, especially with seniors who have flip phones or landlines. So as for after hours, what everybody does is answer machines or voicemail. And both of these are terrible. Answer machines and voicemail really can't schedule appointments because they can't read calendars for conflicts. They can't confirm, that the client gave you all their information, or even handle free-form questions with responses. The answer, of course, is an AI appointment scheduler, where customers call and get scheduled into your calendars. It's a service, meaning you pay a monthly fee. There's nothing for you to maintain. I buy and maintain the phone line, hosting computers, all that, software, and then you'll get call recap emails that appear in your inbox of your email. And then also the customer will get those as well. And we can even have where you're texted an hour before the customer's appointment. You get the text, they get the text, reminding both of you that y'all need to get together. So my website, if you go out there, you'll see 6 demo phone lines that you can test 24/7. The demos don't update a real calendar, but they'll give you a feel for the AI. The demo lines are of different business types, including plumber and makeup artist, and you can even ask business information questions. Just call and see for yourself. Also listed on my website are screenshots and example emails. The recap email has the full text transcription of the conversation, and it's done through AI voice to text. You get to try out the AI further, and that's another way we can get to talk. Advantages. Why do this? It's 24/7, even on holidays. It's got nothing but just listen to the phone line. It saves you money. It handles 8 languages, one of which is the bilingual Spanish-English. This system's great for seniors who just want a phone on a landline. It's a better written trail with emails and consistency. Seventh reason is it gives you instant responses, since the AI is waiting around to answer the phone. It's scalable is the 8th reason. And if you got high volume, we could make another seasonal phone number. It'll answer questions about the business is the 9th reason. 10th, it remembers your phone number. And that's pretty cool. It will, once it knows your phone number, it no longer asks you about your name or other phone number unless you really want it to, or email addresses. So it remembers all this. So why try us? First off, we give you a risk-free offer. If I don't get things scheduling for you, there's no real cost to you. I cater to small businesses just like you. For most of you, I'm a local business in DFW. And so you're not just a file number or a customer number. You're a person with a name. I'll get to know you. You'll get to know me. And you don't get this level of service from big corporations. Let's just have a 30-minute meeting and that you can schedule and just see if this is really how you would like to help your business. And then get with your business partner, bring them along to the meeting so it can be productive. And I would love to work with you. Thank you for your time.